Hello, my name is Jordan and this is the first of many Tablepay introduction tutorials for our venues. Upon signing up for Tablepay, I will give you access to our Hub platform, which is the predominant management solution that I use with my scene partners. Hub is also the main dashboard for Tablepay, which I'll be explaining in a brief moment. You will be given a username and a password which can be changed, and then once you're accessed, you will reach our dashboard here. So the main area obviously that we're concerned of is Tablepay, and it's here in the bottom left of your screen, and all you simply do is click in and then you're in the Tablepay dashboard. Upon entering the Tablepay dashboard, you will be met with a number of different buttons, and we're going to create a detailed video on each of these areas, but in today's video we're just going to be looking at the menu area. It's also important to note that this toggle here, live, dictates whether your Tablepay is online or offline. So as it's offline here, it means customers cannot actively buy products, but all I have to do is toggle it to the right there, and now it's live. So talking about our menu, Tablepay breaks our menu down on a category and then subcategory basis. So our categories here would be as basic and straightforward as food and drink, and then obviously subcategories would be, in food's case, starters, main course, dessert, etc. To create a category, all we have to do is click the plus button in the bottom right of your screen here and create your category and your type. In this case, we've already created our drinks category, so we're just going to click in here. So as we mentioned, the subcategories for food would be the likes of starters, main course, desserts, and similarly with drinks we'd have spirits, beers, soft drinks, etc. We're going to create a beer subcategory today. Same again, your bottom right, plus, enter beers, choose your subcategory. In this case, obviously, as the predominant type is drink, we're going to be choosing drink, and then we're going to create it. So this creates our beer subcategory. To create items for said beer category, all we have to do is click into it, and we're filled with this blank canvas. To create individual beers, we just click the bottom right button here again, put in our beer name, so say for example in this case we have Heineken, the type again, which is drink, our price, which is say $5.60. Given that it's alcoholic, legal obligation mean that we have to add a 18 plus or ID required area, and in this case obviously it's yes. And then we just have a brief description, so say for example with Heineken, made in Amsterdam, etc. This can be as long and pulled out as possible. So when we have our information in, we simply click the create button, and that creates the Heineken point in our items dashboard. Now it's possible to create your entire menu by just adding each field manually. However, Scene also supports CSV file formats. And CSV file formats mean that we can use spreadsheet software such as Excel to actually create our whole menu automatically. So I've created a little template here in my Microsoft Excel software, and it allows me to add multiple items for the beer menu. So this template, specifically the Tablepay template, is available to download. And it's just very important that the format of the Tablepay template matches the format of the menu template. And so in this case, it's important that we have name first, description, price, and the price is formatted like so. Allergens using the HSE standard allergy criteria, and then also a photo image URL, which is optional. So obviously here I've just created my items. So I have my Heineken, Carlsberg, Peroni, Brewdog, Metalman, my same description here, my prices, my allergy information, and then all the different photos. So again, if I want to create a new beer, simply fill in the name here, the description, the price, etc. And I can do that the whole way down with my menu. When I'm finished my menu in Excel, all I have to do is export it as a CSV file. To do that, it's the same as when you're saving any Excel file. Click File, Save As here. You'll be prompted to save it under a name. So in this case, we just have Tablepay template, but it's very important now to note that we use a CSV file format. So usually it will be by default an Excel file. So when we're clicking file format, and this will be the same on Windows, all we have to do is scroll down to the CSV UTV-8 or .csv, click it, and then save it. And that's all you need to do when you're saving your CSV. Once we have our menu complete, we can head right back into Scene here. In the Upload CSV section, we can click Upload File. In this case, I'm going to search for the Tablepay template CSV, which I've just created. It'll pop up here, tablepay template.csv. We'll click that, click Open, submit it or upload it, and then it will tell me that the CSV has been successfully uploaded. And all I have to do then is return, and my menu will be populated automatically. If I go in, everything is built for me automatically, and it saves a lot of time. So that's the first feature on the inserting items using Excel. See you soon.